Welcome to Body Fact Uncovered, where your body reveals the truth.
Full digestive system length. Behold the human engine, a 9-meter journey of transformation, where biology meets chemistry to sustain life itself from head to toe.
Cephalic phase, brain activation. At the mere scent of food, the brain fires neural signals through the vagus nerve, waking the digestive organs to prepare for arrival. Saliva composition. Saliva is more than water. It is a potent cocktail of amylase, mucins, and antibodies, initiating the chemical war on starch and providing our first line of defense. Oesophagus and sphincters. Precision in motion. The esophagus uses rhythmic peristaltic waves to guide the bolus, while the lower sphincter stands guard to protect our delicate tissues. Acid strength comparison. A chemical cauldron. At a pH of 1.5, stomach acid is as corrosive as battery fluid, a necessary intensity to dissolve proteins and annihilate pathogens. Stomach hormones. A chemical dialogue. Gastrin commands the acid flow, while ghrelin travels through the bloodstream to the brain, whispering the urgent command of hunger. Small intestine surface area. Hidden within is a microscopic forest. Villi and microvilli expand the surface area to 40 square meters, the size of a studio apartment, optimized for life-sustaining absorption.
Gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids and vitamins. They strengthen the gut lining, add immune cells. A symphony of health, all happening right here. The liver produces bile, which helps break down fats. The gallbladder stores bile and releases it into the small intestine when needed. Inside the large intestine lives a vast ecosystem of bacteria known as the gut microbiome. These microbes help digest fiber and produce important nutrients.
The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining material.
The final waste products of digestion are compacted into stool. These materials are stored in the rectum until they are eliminated from the body.
IBS versus IBD comparison. Understanding the difference. IBS is a struggle of sensitivity and signaling. IBD is a battle of visible inflammation and tissue damage. The pancreas floods the system with specialized enzymes, dismantling fats, proteins, and sugars with surgical precision. Liver function, the body's grand filter. The liver detoxifies our blood and processes every nutrient we absorb before it can reach the rest of the body. Digestion timeline. From seconds in the mouth to 2 days in the colon, a marathon of processing that turns a simple meal into the very cells of your body.
Your digestive system works every second of your life to extract nutrients and protect your body. Keeping it healthy through diet, exercise, and good habits is essential for long-term health.
Like, subscribe, and share for more real health facts on Body Fact Uncovered.